Hello, Stallion families. We wanted to post a video about Banning Lewis Ranch Academy's Roundup Day. The information in this video pertains to the elementary school. The preparatory academy's day and time are the same, but some of the specific logistics in this video are about the elementary school. It will take place on Monday, August 6th, 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We sent out a few emails in advance for families to fill out online prior to coming in that would hopefully help expedite the process. This is our first year in doing some online enrollment accounts, so we appreciate your patience in going through this process. We know there has been some growing pains, and we thank you for your patience in that. If you are not able to complete these, no worries. You are able to do them while you are on site at the school during Roundup Day. But for the optional items before you come in, returning families, you received an email that is tied to School Mint, and you would update health forms for each child enrolled at Banning Lewis Ranch Academy. You also received an email from payschools.com. This site you can pay your school fees on, and we are aware that there is a maximum payment fee issue. We recommend that you just come in on Roundup Day and pay your fee on that day. We are currently working with Pay Schools to resolve this issue, but have not reached a solution yet. So thank you for your patience on that. And also, returning families, we ask that you created a Schoology account. You should have received an email with directions and links to videos that will help you create this account, which is very important because you are supposed to create a new Schoology account and link that to an old account. And Banning Lewis Ranch Academy will have their own platform this year with its own URL. And it's very important that we have these accounts linked because this is how we communicate proactively with families about what's going on in the classroom. New families, you had an additional item, which is to create a PowerSchool Parent Portal account. And returning families, you have already created one of these in the past. But new families, you had to go through this, so we thank you for doing that. But you did not have to do School Mint because you did that when you initially enrolled. And new families, you did create a new Schoology account through the BLRA platform. On Roundup Day, this is what your checklist will look like. So these are must-dos and stations you need to go through, so please go by each of these stations and complete them in their entirety. So your first station is going to be meeting your teacher. Our teachers are in the process of calling families and introducing themselves. They will be calling families through the evening of Friday, August 3rd. So that on that day, you will meet your teacher, drop off supplies, and pick up a homeroom parent application. Feel free to inquire about that on site, but these homeroom parents are going to be helping with Fall Fest at the beginning of the year and potentially some other items down the road throughout the rest of the school year. Also, you will have to go through District 49 Health Services. If you did this online, you will just go up and get initials real quickly, or you can go to the Innovation Zone and fill out that information. You will acquire the initials from Health Services in the gymnasium, though. PowerSchool information and Schoology login information, those updates can be done in the Innovation Zone, which is on the north side of the building. And if you already did this online, you can just pull up and log in real quick, and the staff working there will be able to give you their initials quickly. Lastly, the last station you do need to go to is to pay fees. You may pay live there, or you may show them your receipt, email confirmation that the Pay Fees website sent you. And at that Pay Fees site, that is where you will turn in your parents' checklist. However, you do have some can-do items as well. In the gymnasium, we have all kinds of activities and extra cool stuff going on. Our Spirit Wear store, Champions Before and After Daycare, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, Cub Scouts, the school board, and our Stallions Parents and Teachers Association will be represented there, which are great organizations. So we recommend going and meeting them and introducing yourself to them. On the south end of the building, we will have D49 Food Services, so you can make a deposit there to help your student with their lunch account. And in the library will be our specials teachers, gifted talented teachers, and special education teachers. Also in the library, you will find where we are selling some t-shirts that we got made for this year. These are some t-shirts that we are selling for $10, cash or check only, payable at this site. We have limited quantity of shirts for students, elementary students, but they will be available for future purpose on our Spirit Wear website, which is linked through blracademy.org. Students will be able to wear these shirts on early release Fridays. And it's a fun new saying we have going. In addition to our banding together from last year, we are talking about tradition, excellence, and choice being some key drivers in what we do here at the ranch. So thank you so much, and we look forward to meeting you all on Monday. Thank you.